And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok messages DMs not working. So let's say you go to inbox over here and you try to message somebody, the message is not being sent. Well, that's a problem. And the first reason could be your internet. So make sure to check your internet, because due to slow internet as well, your message would not be sent to the user which you're trying to send to. So make sure to check your internet. If your internet is fast and you're still facing the problem, then watch the next part of the video. First step is check your internet, and even if it is fast you're facing the problem, then go to App Store. And if your internet is slow, make sure to switch to another internet which is fast, alright? Or you can even use a data connection. And on your App Store, you search for TikTok and see if there's any updates. If it says open over here, that means your TikTok is up to date. But if it says update, that means you need to update your TikTok, right? So make sure to update your TikTok to the latest version. And even after updating your TikTok, if it didn't work, then delete your TikTok app, reinstall it again. Sometimes due to a bug as well, this problem is caused. So just deleting your TikTok and reinstalling it again fixes this problem. And a lot of people's problem got fixed by doing this. And even after doing it, if it still didn't work, what you can do is go on profile and go on the three line at the top and go on setting and privacy, and over here scroll a bit down and click on report a problem. Once you're over here and report a problem, scroll a bit down, click on direct message and click on versus unable to send direct message. And make sure to check if the person you're trying to message has not blocked you, right? Because sometimes if a person has blocked you, then you can't also send them message. So make sure to check that. And once you're over here, what you want to do is click on versus no, and what you can do is click on need more help. Over here you want to write your problem. So I would suggest you to write this, but you can even write it on your own words, alright? So I would suggest you to write this. Hey, I'm trying to send message to my friend, but it's not working. I think there's a problem with my direct message feature. Can you help me fix it? And at the bottom you can see the report button. You can click on the report button and the report will be sent to TikTok. TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. And this process might take 1 or 2 weeks, so you need to be a bit patient, alright? Because TikTok staff, sometimes they view your problem instantly, sometimes it might take a bit of time, alright?